First up, which organ produces bile to help digest fat? Is it option A, gallbladder, option B, the liver, or option C, the stomach? If you guessed option B, the liver, you got it. The gallbladder actually just stores it. Question 2. Which essential mineral keeps your bones and teeth super strong? A, calcium, B, iron, or C, potassium? The answer is option A, calcium. All right, number 3. What's actually the strongest muscle in the whole human body based on weight? A, your biceps, B, the heart, or C, the masseter, which is your jaw muscle? Pound for pound, it's actually option C, the masseter. Your jaw can exert over 200 pounds of force. Moving on to number 4. Which vitamin does your skin naturally produce when you step out into the sunlight? Option A, vitamin D, option B, vitamin C, or option C, vitamin B12? That's option A, vitamin D.
Question 5. Which small part of your brain works as the body's internal thermostat? A, the thyroid, B, the hypothalamus, or C, the pancreas? It's option B, the hypothalamus. It keeps your core right around 98.6 degrees. Number 6. Which type of blood cells are on the front lines fighting off infections? A, red blood cells, B, platelets, or C, white blood cells? If you said option C, white blood cells, you're spot on. Here's number 7. If you need joint or bone surgery, which specialist are you booking an appointment with? A, an orthopedist, B, a urologist, or C, an oncologist? That would be option A, an orthopedist. Question 8. What is the single smallest bone in your entire body? Option A, the stapes in your inner ear. Option B, the femur. Or option C, the fibula. It's option A, the stapes. It's literally smaller than a grain of rice.
Number 9. Which macronutrient is your body's absolute favorite primary energy source? A, protein, B, fat, or C, carbohydrates? The answer is option C, carbohydrates. They break down straight into glucose. Question 10. Where does your body store excess bile until you eat a meal? A, the spleen, B, the gallbladder, or C, the appendix? That's option B, the gallbladder. Question 11. What is the official medical term doctors use for a stroke? A, cerebrovascular accident, B, myocardial infarction, or C, arrhythmia? It's option A, a cerebrovascular accident. Number 12. Which medical specialist focuses entirely on kidney health and kidney diseases? Option A, a gastroenterologist, option B, a nephrologist, or option C, a pulmonologist? That's option B, a nephrologist. All right, question 13. Which of these delicious fruits packs the highest amount of dietary fiber per cup? A, bananas, B, raspberries, or C, apples? Surprisingly, it's option B, raspberries. They have about 8 grams of fiber per cup.
Number 14. Where is insulin actually produced and stored before it gets released into your blood? A. The liver. B. The adrenal glands. Or C. The pancreas. The answer is option C, the pancreas. Halfway point coming up. Question 15. What is the formal medical name for a heart attack? A. Myocardial infarction. B. Aneurysm. Or C. Thrombosis. It's option A, myocardial infarction. Number 16. What tough, fibrous connective tissue anchors your muscles directly to your bones? Option A, a ligament. Option B, a tendon. Or option C, cartilage. That's option B, a tendon. Remember, ligaments connect bone to bone, while tendons connect muscle to bone. Question 17. Which of these whole foods is famous for having extremely high levels of healthy omega-3 fatty acids? A. Chicken breast. B. White rice. Or C. Wild salmon. The answer is option C, salmon. Number 18. If you're dealing with chronic asthma or lung issues, which doctor are you going to see? A. A pulmonologist. B. An otolaryngologist. Or C. A rheumatologist. You're looking for option A, a pulmonologist. Question 19. What is actually the hardest and most durable substance in the human body? A. Your femur bone. B. Tooth enamel. Or C. The skull. It's option B, tooth enamel. It's even tougher than your bones. We're down to the final 10. Question 20. Which organ acts like a recycling center by filtering out old red blood cells? A. The liver. B. The spleen. Or C. The kidneys. That's option B, the spleen. Question 21. What primary gas do humans expel every single time we exhale? A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. Or C. Carbon dioxide. Option C. Carbon dioxide. Number 22. Which tart fruit is widely recommended to help protect against urinary tract infections? A. Cranberry. B. Mango. Or C. Peach. It's option A. Cranberry. Question 23. What medical term describes having dangerously low blood sugar levels? Option A. Hyperglycemia. Option B. Hypoglycemia. Or option C. Hypoxia. The correct term is option B, hypoglycemia. Hyperglycemia means high blood sugar. Number 24. Which specialist deals with everything related to stomach and gut health? A. A urologist. B. A gastroenterologist. Or C. A pathologist. That would be option B, a gastroenterologist. Question 25. Exactly how many bones does a fully grown adult human have? A. 186. B. 206. Or C. 300. It's option B, 206. Fun fact, babies are actually born with around 300 bones, but many fuse together as they grow. Number 26. Which hormone steps in to regulate and lower the amount of sugar in your blood? A. Insulin. B, melatonin, or C, cortisol? That's option A, insulin. Question 27. What is the clinical medical name for farsightedness? Option A, myopia. Option B, hyperopia. Or option C, cataracts. It's option B, hyperopia. Myopia is nearsightedness. Home stretch. Question 28. What is most harmful to your kidneys? Option A, soda. Option B, eggs. Or option C, pasta. The answer is option A, soda. High sugar sodas cause severe damage to your kidneys over time. Question 29. Where does the vast majority of nutrient absorption actually happen during digestion? A, the small intestine. B, the large intestine. Or C, the stomach. It's option A, the small intestine. Your stomach mostly just breaks the food down. Final question of the day. Which heart valve sits right between the left atrium and the left ventricle? A, the tricuspid valve. B, the mitral valve. Or C, the aortic valve. And for the final point, it's option B, the mitral valve.
Comment your score below, share this to challenge a friend, and hit subscribe for the next round.